Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to try fry out plantains and try them out for the first time. So there I have my plantains there, washed, and they're very clean. So we're gonna start by peeling off our plantain first. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow together, please. Help me grow my account. Comment, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell again. Then share, please share to your friends, relatives, anyone. I really want to grow my YouTube channel. So guys, I've peeled off my plantains there, and remember, I've never tried plantains, so this is going to be my first time trying them out, and I hope I like them. So they're there. I've already peeled them out. Now I want to slice them. You can slice them in different ways that you love, but me, I like slicing them this way. You can slice them this way or in the circular way like that one, or another way like the one I'm showing you there. And make sure that they cook so properly. And you should be careful so that you don't cut your finger. That's why I use chopping board. I tell you, you should try this out. Go out in any of supermarket, quick mart, or a market that sells out vegetables. You're gonna find them there. So there you go. Our oil is already there, and then you go in by dipping in our plantain. And you have to make sure that you keep turning the plantain so that they don't burn. They can burn easily, and you are and don't put high heat because plantains burn so easily. So keep on turning until they are golden brown. You see? Just look at that, guys. So there I am, turning them out so that they can brown. But I need that golden color. I have to entertain my camera lady there. As you can see, they're cooking so perfect. Oh wow, they're now golden brown. Then I have to get them out of the oil. You see? Everything is time, man. Naomba tu mjaribu kuzipika. So my second batch of this going in with this, and then you should be careful with the oil so that when putting in your plantains, the oil don't spill up and end up getting burned. So you should be very careful while dropping in there. And then again, the same procedure, you turn them over and over. They're almost ready. You can see I'm turning them. And you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can teach each other different types of food, how we cook. So our plantains are ready. You can either eat them like that, but me, I prefer doing what I'm going to show you right now. I prefer flattening them again like that so that I want them to cook so well inside. So I flatten them like that by squeezing it on my chopping board. As you can see, I make sure, yeah, like that. Then after that, I go with them again in the hot oil again, but for just 2 minutes or even 1 minute, so that I want to have that crunchy feel. So I turn that. I keep turning them over and over again. Then in like 1 minute they're ready. Yeah, that's the color that I want. That's the color that I want. My plantains are very, very ready. You can see. I hope I can get someone who wants me to cook for him or her the plantains so that they can pay me because that's what I do for a living. I cook for people. So there, my plantains are there. Getting them out from the oil. I'm going in with my second and last batch of it. Then procedure, you can see that. Again, I'm going to turn them around so that they don't burn. They don't burn. I love that color. And I'm telling you guys, try this recipe here. You're gonna love them. You're gonna be having plantains like every day, every other day. You won't even mind how much they cost, but I assure you you'll be buying them every day. Just look at that color. I love them. That golden brown or what. I love them. Whew. And so my plantains are ready. Look at that. Let's try testing one. Hey guys, I tell you, I had to dance because these things are so sweet, so delicious, crunchy, and so yum yum. Thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye.